Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to clean our RAM on our Android device. So if you're also looking for steps on how to do so, you may basically follow up these for that and you should be able to do it. So let's start by going to our device's settings. For that, head over to your settings and open it up. And once you open up your settings app, you can scroll through the given options and go to the section of battery and device care and find it up and tap on it. Now, once you tap on it here, a different option appears. What you need to do is basically look out for this option called memory and just go over and tap on it. And once you tap on it, here it will start checking your memory. So here you can just go ahead and wait for some certain minutes. And when you do, you can find this option called clean now. You can tap on it. And once you tap on it, it should start cleaning up your RAM on your Android device. Apart from that, what we can do is we can go ahead and um, uninstall and disable application. So we can go over and look out for the application that we no longer use. So you can just go over and hold the application, for example, this right here, and look out for the uninstall option and confirm it up. Or you can look out for disable option as well. For that, go to the info section at the top and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you can just go over and look out for the disable option instead. Usually in the option of install, we can find that option right there. So you can just go over and do so. Also, you can clear apps caches. So once you go to the app info of the applications, you can go to storage option and tap on it. And under there, you can look out for the clear cache option in the bottom right corner. If not that, you can look out for clear data option to clear your junk files and your cache on your devices. Also, if you're using any kind of application, you can just go over and close all of the applications running in the background through the device itself. And those are some of the methods you can try out if you want to clean your RAM on your Android device. And that is it, everybody. You may follow up this method for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.